So another barrier that was identified is if you have a look at all of these signage, so these are photos that are taken from the different workplaces that were taking part in the trial, and just have a look and see if there's anything that you notice about these. And hopefully you can spot pretty instantly that they all look different. And this comes even though Vegware do offer standardized signage to put up. And this is problematic because it means for things like contractors who might go to different workplaces to fulfill their job, there's different information that's being given out. And it just contributes to the overall confusion that we see in people being able to identify compostable packaging and to identify which bin to put it into. Next slide, please. So to address this barrier, and to really encourage workplaces to deliver the intervention that we came up with as we intended, we from the University of Sheffield as behavioural scientists delivered a presentation at the start of the intervention to the workplaces that were taking part to really encourage them to deliver the intervention as intended. So the presentation was delivered by myself, colleague Dr. Sarah Brew Garcia and Professor Thomas Webb. And we went through and we explained the reasons why we were delivering this intervention and what the workplaces could do to make sure it was delivered as we intended. Next slide, please. So just in summary, we've gone through a number of different intervention components. So it's one intervention that combines these different components. So we have distinctive labels on compostable packaging, colour-coded signage, so that pink colour that corresponded with the colour on the labels. We had that presentation to workplace leads and the 1-minute motivational video. One thing we haven't yet gone over is that one of the workplaces all had additional bins, compost bins that were added to their workplace canteen, as through the research we identified that they didn't have these compost bins in the canteen, only in their office space. So these got added as part of the intervention.